Lionel Messi and his Inter Miami teammates arrived in Jamaica on Wednesday, March 12, 2025. Their assignment: to take on Cavalier FC in the CONCACAF Champions Cup the following day. Fans gathered in droves at the Norman Manley International Airport to welcome the player rated by many as the greatest footballer of all time. He obliged by taking photographs and signing autographs for his fans. But when match day came, it was business as usual for Messi as he created another historic moment by scoring his first ever goal in Jamaica.
Se va metiendo Messi, Morales, Messi! ¡Claro que!
Busca el balón donde sabe que se lo va a pedir.
En Jamaica y se va con gol.
Rato sin que él lo sea. Y bueno, la definición que para él.
2-0 Miami.
Y la tiene clarísima Morales.
Well done, Messi, and thanks to Cavalier FC for making this happen.